Good morning, my friends. Let's make some coffee. It is Wednesday. For some reason, I have been craving muffins lately, and I thought that I had a bunch of muffin mix on hand. I don't. I have none. So, I guess we're not having muffins, or I could make muffins from scratch, because I do have bananas. I have chocolate chips. I'm just gonna have some of those first. We'll reevaluate in a minute. The coffee started coffeeing, so let's do this. 3 bananas. Yes, honey. Mama, who loves you? Butter that we need to melt. Do you guys keep butter like on your counter, or do you store it in the fridge? Because I've always stored it in the fridge, but my best friend, like, we've been best friends for 12 years now, and her family, they don't refrigerate their butter. They just leave it on the counter, and it's like spreadable and like always ready to make something with. Is that, are you supposed to, I don't know, I don't know. Mushy bananas, meat melted butter. Some good old-fashioned sugar. I got a bunch of these off of my wedding registry, like when we got married a few years ago, and I used to put cereal in them, and I'll be honest, like, the cereal like wouldn't really stay that well, so I started storing my baking ingredients in it, like flour, my brown sugar, my white sugar, because it's just so much more convenient than like the sugar bags and the flour bags, because like, again, flour all over the place, but I digress. I also keep, yes honey, I also keep my Kodiak cake mixes in these too, and it's just so much more convenient. Plus, let's be honest, we really don't need long-term storage for cereal, because any cereal in this house is gone within like 2 days. An egg. Is it too early to have cheese? This isn't going in there. I saw it in the fridge when I got the egg, and now I can't stop thinking about it. Some Vermont cheddar. I like to add a little bit of cinnamon, because then this just tastes like little banana breads, and it's so good. Added my baking soda and flour. I got nervous. I thought I had no chocolate chips, but then I found this half open or half used bag of semi-sweet chunks. I don't know what these are from, because normally I buy the chips, but listen, let's do it. Fold those in. Banana chocolate chunk muffins. I don't use muffin liners. I just spray these. Honestly, muffin liners are a waste of money to me. I don't know. Oh, mini cookie scoop. This one that works, this one works. Oh, this thing is annoying me. Okay. So we're going old school. But this is so much better. Okay. Here they are. Honestly, I don't even know how long they cooked for. After the 10 minutes, they were not done, so I just kind of let them continue cooking until I thought that they looked good, so. These are good. Unpopular opinion, I like to have my banana bread with cream cheese on top. Yes, honey. So I think I'm gonna put some cream cheese on these. Oh my gosh. I love them. Okay, bye.